Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be working in my PR planner. This will be my first spread in this classic size Happy Planner. I have used Happy Planner before, but it has been a while. So this is kind of new to me, and I decided to start off simple. I did a pen test because there's no extra paper in here, so I did it on the welcome paper that I'm hoping is the same paper that is in the planner. So I just did a little scribbling and writing out things here as a pen test. So I'll be using a Papermate Flare and this tool pen. I'm not sure how old this tool pen is, so it may run out soon. So yeah, I have both of those here. I do prefer the Papermate Flare with the Happy Planner. The Papermate Flare is what I started out with when I used Happy Planner when I first started planning. So I really do like that Papermate Flare. Hopefully the paper is good enough that it won't bleed through. Then I'm going to be using a kit from A Little Spark. This kit is the spring cleaning kit. I don't know that that's the specific name of it, but it is about spring cleaning, and I decided I better go ahead and use this now while we are still in the spring season, because we don't have much time left in that season. So I'm going to use this kit. This is what it looks like, and I decided to go with a kit just to keep it simple, easy. You know, I don't have to put a lot of thought into the layout design. At least I don't think I do. And yeah, and I may pull in a few box stickers from one of the Keleva Plan Roy G. Biv sticker books. But this is the planner. Let's jump to April. I may be able to take, I shouldn't start taking out pages. I have a stack of old Happy Planner papers or pages that I tried to sort through recently, and I just kind of gave up because it's a mess, and it's because I was taking out months and stuff like that. I'm not taking out anything. I like things the way they come from the factory. I might add a few things here and there, but yeah, I'm a factory kind of girl. Give it to me the way it was intended. So let's begin. I kind of don't know where to start. Do I want to use washi? I do want to use washi, but let's get to the stickers first. Which ones do I want to use? I want to use her. So in the previous video, I talked about this gray area here that I don't like. But hopefully these Erin Condren size stickers, yes, will alleviate that problem, and they do. So which one do I want to do next? Let's do this one. So again, this is my PR planner, so I'm using it for PR and planning and scheduling my PR posts, as well as showcasing PR stickers. These stickers are not PR, but they are beautiful. Okay, I think I like this one a lot. No. Okay, so we can actually pull these up a little bit if we need to. Oh, and by the way, I'm doing the week of the 11th through the 17th. I just wanted to jump right in and start putting down stickers and didn't even think to tell that part. That one's a little off. Let's see, I do have another full box, but I don't think I'll use that one. Let's use this one. Those are so pretty. Look at it. Now, I don't know if I'm going to be using the date covers here. I may save those for other planners. For now, let me see what it looks like. Do I need to do that? I'm gonna not do it this time. I can always use date covers and date dots in other planners. So no. Okay. Then at the bottom, I'm really running low on this washi. But I think it would look nice. Let's see. Let's use this one. Yeah, let's keep it bright and springy. So I'm going to run this underneath the boxes. All right. So then I need to track posts in 3 different areas. So how am I going to do that? Let's begin with putting boxes. Should I put washi tape at the bottom too? Let's do it. Okay, I think that is good. Now for the boxes. I think I'm going to use these on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. No, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And then Friday. I do like that the Happy Planner does not force you to have a split weekend because it's big enough to do 8 columns instead of just the 7 where the Saturday and Sunday has to be split. I admit that I do like that very much. But that is not all, that's also not just particular to the Happy Planner. Okay, do I want to keep my colors lined up or not? I think not. So let's use this here. I might just go all the way across with these boxes up top. Let's put this one here. So I want to use these stickers. They are too beautiful to just leave on the backing. They need to be used. And the colors are fabulous. There we go. And do I want to run any across the bottom? I think I'll leave the ones that I have down there. Then let's use the Monday through Sunday over here. I don't want to put it all the way at the top. So I'm going to put that there. Either I'm going to track Instagram. Not sure how I'm going to use that. So I won't be able to use the icon sheets in my PR planner because these are more like family type things. So that will have to go somewhere else. I don't think I'll use any deco. Okay, I'm going to use this checklist here under this week list. And I think that's it. I don't want to use the date covers. And then I can use the rest somewhere else. I don't know. I could use these couple of deco stickers up here though. So let's do that. Just for fun. Add a little fun to it. Other than that, and this, think we're going to call it good. I don't know why I put that there, but I just felt like I need to put it there. Okay. So the rest of these I can probably use throughout the week or use in my other planner, and I will stick them in this pocket right here so that they will be in the planner. So here we are. This is my inaugural spread in the new Happy Planner that I'm using for PR. I know it's kind of not my usual thing because I'm using a kit and I go back and forth with wanting to use kits, but I think for this, it will be fine. I can do this, right? I can do it. All right. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.